Welcome to this demonstration of our web shop. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to search for a product, select it, and place an order. Let's start by searching for a specific knife in the search bar. I enter the dimensions of the knife I need. The search function now shows the results that match my query. You'll see that the correct product appears at the top of the list thanks to our accurate search functionality. I click on the product to view more details on the product page. You can see the description, price, and availability of the knife. Here I can easily enter the quantity I want to order. I enter the quantity and click on Add to Cart. Simply add this item in the basket and proceed. Now we proceed to the checkout page. Here I check if all the details are correct and select my payment method. I fill in the required information and click Checkout. After the order is placed, it is reviewed, and you will receive an order confirmation via email. Our webshop also makes it easy to add products to your favorites list. This allows you to quickly access products you order regularly. I add this knife to my favorite list by clicking the heart icon. This saves time for future orders. It is possible to group and customize the favorites list as well. It is also possible to inquire the items where the price is on request. Simply add this item in the basket and proceed. Our team carefully verifies all orders and inquiries before confirming you. That was a quick tour of our web shop. As you can see, the process is simple and intuitive, from searching to ordering and managing your favorite products. Please note that My.Commodore is an additional tool that gives you 24/7 access to product information and ordering options. Our team is available to take your inquiries and orders by email, WhatsApp, or phone during office hours. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy a smooth shopping experience with us.